On behalf of my wife, Bridget, the Board of Trustees of Shepherd Center Foundation, the children, we like to thank all of you for blessing us, for choosing and making Shepherd Center Foundation as one of the beneficiaries from your good deed. We appreciate deeply for your constant care and love. And right now we are housing, or we are giving care. We have fostered 75 children together with 6 elderly, sickly senior citizens. And times are very bad throughout the world, even in our nation. People are losing jobs. And your concern over our work, giving us, me and my wife, Usana, have helped us in many ways by giving supplement, helping our health, caring for us. We really appreciate. May God bless all of you in this pandemic time. May you be success. Without you all, we also will have negative input, but we pray God will honor your giving and blessing. God bless you.
Good evening. On behalf of my husband Jacob and myself Bridget, together with our Shepherd Center family, we want to thank Success International and Usana for coming up with such a wonderful plan and ideas to go international to raise funds for us. We are in the midst of very difficult time. Not only we, but many other people are suffering. Financially, everybody is down. Work jobs are gone. Many families are struggling. And we are one of those who are struggling with our children. We cannot send them back because they have nowhere to go. And keeping them, it's a joy, and many times there's also difficulties. Laying the food on the table, putting the clothes on their back, and paying the bills, it's not a joke. And I'm sure many of you know that. And thank you, Usana, thank you, Success International, for coming up with such a beautiful plan and idea to help us out. And I pray that, and we pray that you to be successful to help us out, because we have a lot of bills to pay. We need to get food on the table for the children, though food is there, but to get good food, and then children have to do online studies, and so many things. If you have 1 or 2 children, you will know, but we are having 75 of them. It's no joke. And some of you have elderly parents. You know how difficult it is in a difficult time like this to take care of them, sending them to hospital and all. We have 6 of them. One of them is on wheelchair bound. 2 of them have problem with their legs, they can't walk. But by God's grace and the kindness of such people like you, we are able to take care of them. And I'm very sure our children and our senior citizens, together with our staffs, because our staffs, we can't stop them, and they're very dedicated. In this difficult time, they still work for us. And we need to pay them, we need to take care of everything. And thank you very much for remembering us, blessing us. And we pray that God will bless you, and everything you touch will be a success. God bless the works of your hands and all that you do. On behalf of our Shepherd Center family, together with my husband and myself, we want to thank you, and we pray that God will make this a successful and a wonderful fundraising for us.
Usana, we like to thank you for your supplement for both of us. God bless all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.